Hello to all Neet 2026 champions. So finally, you all are so close to your exam. Just after 2 days, your exam is there of Neet. All the very best first. So my dear champion, before going to your examination center, you should go through to the informations and the instructions given by NTA regarding your dress code, barred items, and few important informations for your parents also. Someone who is going to with you at examination center, my dear champion. So this video is going to be regarding that informations to parents and guardians. So let's start. So if we go to the bulletin, information bulletin released by NTA on their official website, champion. Now in this information bulletin, go to page number 51. So if we go to page number 51, let me show you by clicking here, page number 51. Okay, so on this page number 51, champions, can you see chapter 12, information for parents and guardians. So the first point here mentioned is, it is expected that parents, guardians will guide their wards appropriately on the following. Okay, just a second. Just a second, champion. Okay, so it is expected that parents, guardian will guide their wards appropriately on the following issues before leaving home for appearing in NEET 2026. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination center after 1:30 p.m. Please make sure all the parents and you champions, you students as well. So this is for aspirants as well. So kindly make sure to reach before 1:30. You should reach at least at 12:30, champion. Don't get delayed. If you go to after 1:30, my dear champion, the NTA representative or whatever the persons will be there will not allow you to enter in examination hall. To make sure the candidate will not be allowed to enter the examination center after 1:30 p.m. You will not be allowed there. Okay, therefore the candidate shall leave home well in advance. Okay, so let's now. So the candidates will not be allowed. Is it visible to you all, champions? Yeah. So this was the first point. The second point, the candidate will follow all the instructions and maintain discipline in the examination hall. This is very normal. We all should maintain the discipline in examination hall. The third is the candidate will not breach any examination rule. Okay, the rules imposed by the NTA, like you should not have any electronic gadget and all. If you're breaching the rule of NTA in examination hall, champion, so you will be blacklisted. Your candidature may cancel. Okay. Fourth is the candidate will not use or promote any unfair means activity during the examination. This is for you and for your parents also. Okay, so that they can they may prepare you by guiding you, my champion, my kid, my children, don't do this, please maintain the. So this is basically information for parents also. Okay, in case the candidate finds another candidate using any unfair means in the examination, the same will be immediately informed to the invigilator on duty. Okay, the candidate will bring only the following things to the examination center. So what you have to carry with you on examination day is, the first is admit card. So your admit card along with passport size photograph affixed on it. So your passport size photograph, the photograph that you had used in form filling process, same photograph should be there, should be pasted on your admit card. So this document you have to carry with you on examination day. The second is, one passport size photograph is to be affixed on attendance sheet. So you have to carry two photos, basically one photograph that you can paste on your admit card and one photograph to paste on attendance sheet inside the examination hall. Valid original identity proof, so you can carry with your you can go with your Aadhaar card, voter ID or DL also. So one original identity proof you will have to carry with you. PWD, if you are PW candidate, so PWD certificate is applicable. One postcard size color photograph, I have already told you, with wide background. Please mention here. Don't carry any passport size photograph with any other background. Please make sure the background must be white color. Should be pasted on the performa downloaded with the admit card. So on performa that you have downloaded from the official website, so one photograph should be pasted on that also. The candidate shall not bring any barred items at the center. Yes, I have already recorded one more video, the items that you can carry with you and the items which are prohibited and barred by the NTA. So you should go also watch that video. Okay. The candidate shall cooperate with the staff examination center during frisking. So during frisking, it means checking, my dear champion. You will have to be very cooperative at that point. Don't be in very hurry. Just stay there. Let them do whatever they want to do, checking, frisking, and everything there. So candidates shall report at the allotted examination center well in the advance to make themselves available for compulsory physical frisking. So you know the frisking at examination center in NEET examination is very strict, my dear champion. So make sure to reach on examination on time so that the staff who is assigned there for your frisking, checking, my dear, they may get amount of time to get checking and a whole frisking procedure. Okay. The candidate shall report. So the candidate shall follow the dress code for appearing in NEET 2026 examination. So on dress code, I have already uploaded one single separate video for that. So you should go and watch the video. The candidate should regularly visit the websites. So do this. Now this bold line is, it is mandatory to provide the mobile number and email of the parent or guardian during the submission of the online application. This was instructed you earlier when you was filling your application form, my dear champion. At the time of filling of application, you might mentioned like the phone number of your guardian or any parents and their email address to contact further when required as a copy of the confirmation page. In case your ward is found breaching any of the above, basically this video I'm recording for the parents. Okay, so these information they should also know what are the rules and regulation that their ward has to follow, my dear champion. So this is basically, so in case your ward is found breaching any of the above, the candidate will not be permitted to enter in the examination center and will not be allowed to appear in the examination. So it is clearly warned by the NTA to all the parents who is watching this video, my dear. If your ward is got caught by any staff, their NTA person is there, my dear all parents, so your ward will not be allowed to write the examination hall. This is the very heat warning from NTA. So make sure your ward should not take any barred item, any prohibited item mentioned in the NTA. So this is a very important thing. If your ward indulges in any disruptive, unauthorized, unfair activities, she shall be barred from taking the examination as per the rules. So if your ward got caught by any person over there, so you cannot do anything because this is clearly mentioned here for your warning. So make sure to follow each and every instruction given by the NTA to have smooth procedure, smooth completion of the examination at examination center. Shall also be liable for criminal action and or any other action deemed fit by the NTA. So ensure that your ward reaches the examination center well before 1:30 p.m. on the day of examination. For the same, your ward should leave the home well in advance, because just to get over the traffic, because there might be traffic and all. So just to reach the examination center comfortably without any obstacle, you should leave your home early in advance. Location of the center, kindly make sure to get to know the location, exact location 1 day or 3 days prior, so that you can reach the examination center comfortably on examination day. So make sure to visit your examination center 2 or 3 days before. And weather condition, yes, anything can be there because weather is uncertain. No one knows what will be happen on the day of examination, what would be there. So it would be appropriate to visit the center a day before. I have already suggested you here examination to confirm the location, distance, etc., to avoid any problem of reaching late at the center and then not being allowed to appear in the examination center. So these instructions are basically for parents. So my dear all parents, please make sure to follow these things so that your ward may not have any problem, don't face any difficulty, challenges in examination hall on examination day. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay blessed and follow these instructions strictly. Don't ignore even one line. Thank you so much.